Imagine a world where gold isn't just mined from the earth, but from the crushing depths of the ocean floor.
What if I told you that billions of dollars in gold are being processed right now, miles beneath the ocean's surface? This isn't science fiction.
While everyone else is still searching for gold on land, a secret world beneath the waves is already processing.
Know where the world's next fortune is coming from? Think again. What if I told you untold riches are being harvested deep beneath the ocean?
Water flows through 7-stage filtration, including mechanical filters, activated carbon, UV.
The 3 new modules in the western section will increase capacity by 40%.
And phase 1 is still on schedule for 30 days. And the spectroscopy confirms the presence of rare earth elements.
We compare traditional land-based strip mining with underwater mining. Note the massive open pit and deforestation.
Automated shutdown sequence initiated. All personnel evacuate to staging area immediately.
Move. Get clear of the excavation zone.
All systems indicate a seamless transfer to backup power. We are clear to proceed to checkpoint 4.
Confirmed. Proceeding now.
Platform is secure. Facial recognition shows green. Cleared to proceed with the transfer.
The volcanic zones off Japan and the Philippines are ideal.
And the projected yield for the Iceland site?
Significantly higher, assuming we mitigate the seismic risks. Really responsible growth.
From the initial seafloor survey,
As you can see, the footprint of traditional mining is 2 square kilometers, leaving behind toxic runoff.
hydrothermal circulation dissolves gold from deep magma. The superheated fluid rises, depositing concentrated veins near.
The cutting-edge technology we use for sustainable resource extraction is truly revolutionary. Plus, the salary and benefits are excellent.
By creating artificial reef habitats and maintaining zero pollution, this facility proves that industrial operations.
We're using carbon nanofiber reinforced titanium alloys, self-healing polymer seals, and these incredible adaptations. We are pioneering sustainable precious metal extraction, eliminating surface environmental damage while meeting the growing global.
Here we see the elusive 6-gill shark. Nearby, giant isopods scour the exterior.
I can't believe it.
Look at the size of that eye.
Halt the excavation. This is significant. Reroute all heavy machinery around this quadrant immediately.
Establishing green zone perimeter and adjusting robot paths.
Careful with the amphora, team. The gold artifacts are ready for processing.
revolutionizing resource extraction through technology and environmental stewardship, meeting humanity's needs while protecting.
Underwater operations have eliminated the need for 50 square kilometers of surface mining across 8 countries.